and welcome my YouTube family. How are you today? Look at the beautiful weather today. It's super sunny with a little bit of a breeze. So I thought I'll show you around what we have done with our allotment and what's going on with our back garden in particular. So have a look. Look at my beautiful berries. I think this is blueberry. So previously when I showed you there weren't any leaves or anything, and look at my garlic plants as well as my peas. So the peas have gone a little taller, and so have the garlic plants as well. All my trees are sprouting now, as you can see. And I'm sure when I make the next video you should be able to see some more leaves. I think this is gooseberry growing nicely. I think you can either enjoy these videos or you'll hate them, because I think you'll only enjoy if you have interest in gardening. And I'm just giving you a comparison. When I made the last video, there was hardly anything, and now you can see small leaves coming. And I'm not showing you the full picture yet because the garden is yet to be done. And these are again some plants that we have grown in the gut ring. This is really nice. I think it's a long-sized blueberry, and this time there are many flowers. Last time we only had few blueberries and that's it, but it's looking promising this year. When you grow trees, the key is that you have to leave them for a good few years before you can actually see them flowering, or before they start producing fruit. So our trees this year look much better compared to like 2 years ago. I think we started doing this when it was COVID times, but this year I can see many more flowers on each one of them. So this is some garlic beds, our organic waste bin, some more trees, and the view around. Look at my salad this year. It's already, I think I can use it if I want. And kale is looking beautiful, honestly. I think that's the next thing I'm gonna cook. It's looking so good, and when you trim them, like take some leaves off, it regrows. And look at my beautiful flowers. That's the front garden. So like my back garden, I've got some fruit trees in the front garden as well, and again they are looking much better this year. And I can see them sprouting, I can see the flowers. And generally I think with the spring the garden starts to look better, though it's miles away from how it should look by the end of the spring season. Gardening is such a refreshing and rewarding hobby, I think. Just looking at these flowers lifts your mood up. Come with me and I'll show you. This is the allotment area. In my previous video I showed you that we have got 2 plots in here, and I'm just showing you around what other people have done with their spaces, and it's all looking so good. Just the change in weather has made it so more busy, because I can see people around now, everybody is trying to plant something, build greenhouses. So I thought it's a good time to just show you around, and I'll show you my area as well. It's kind of like before and after pictures. So I've just shown you in my last video when we actually bought it, and now you can see there's some work going on here. We're trying to think here how we're going to make the fence. I think we will be using these pallets to make the fence, and we were just discussing what is the best design. Also, we're trying to plant some fruit trees. Tools on site, and my son loves to plant. So here he is trying to plant a fruit tree. Beautiful evening, and Shahir was done with his planting the tree, and then finally he watered it as well. Look at him now. He loves digging as well. And what I love is them staying away from their screens. So bring your children into gardening, and at least they can spend some time off their screens. Look at the broader picture now. So we have got some wooden trees just lying here and there. We have started to build our fence, and at the distance what you can see is we are digging some holes for the wooden poles that we need to build our own greenhouse. So let's have a look at them and see what's going on here. And also, I mean, in the corner there is this organic waste bin as well. It's not fully done, but I'll show you when it's done. So here we were just preparing a mixture of, I think it's clay, cement and water, and that was basically to when we made those holes, we filled them with the clay, and then we put these wooden poles, and then on top went this mixture to just make them more stable. So here is our first pole nearly done. So we had, I think, 6 of these poles, and on top will go some kind of a plastic sheet, I think. I'll show you step by step as we continue to build our greenhouse. And basically it's much bigger than the traditional greenhouses that you can buy. Go for it. It's much cheaper as well. And you can always extend it if you want it. And hence we thought it's best to build it ourselves. And best part of having an activity like this is that you come across so many new people, you make new friends. And here is my new friend trying to give me some rhubarb, and then while she was digging it out, we came across some worms, and honestly, look at them, they looked beautiful. And also basically it's telling me that the land is really fertile. And here is kids having fun together, playing with sand and just being so messy. And also there was a swing that my neighbor had made herself, which the kids were having fun with also. Your flower is beautiful as well.
Yeah.
Here are some more trees that we wanted to plant. And here are some more trees that we wanted to plant, and have a closer look at my rhubarb and the lemon balm that was gifted by my neighbor. And we will plant those as well, but once the soil is fully ready. Thank you for watching the video today, and I'll see you in my next video with some updates on our greenhouse. Till then, bye bye.